When a heat wave rolls in, one of the best things you can do for your garden is simply get up a little before sunrise. Those quiet, early morning hours are when your plants have the best chance to take in the water they need before the day's intense heat arrives. Instead of losing moisture to evaporation, the water has time to soak deep into the soil where the roots can absorb it. I like to begin in the vegetable garden. I check my tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, squash, beans, and leafy greens for any signs of stress. If the soil is dry, I water deeply around the base of each plant. Deep watering encourages roots to grow deeper into the soil, making plants much more resilient during periods of extreme heat. Next, I move on to my flowers. Annuals, perennials, hanging baskets, and container plants all need a little extra attention during a heat wave. Containers dry out much faster than garden beds, so they often need water every morning. While I'm there, I remove spent blooms and check for any plants that might need a little extra care. Then it's time for the lawn. Watering the grass before sunrise allows the moisture to soak into the soil before the sun begins to evaporate it. A deep morning watering encourages healthier roots and helps keep the lawn green even through stretches of hot, dry weather. While I'm outside, I take advantage of the cool morning air to pull a few weeds, harvest ripe vegetables, refill the bird bath, check on my worm compost, and make sure everything is ready for another hot day. These small tasks only take a few minutes, but together they make a tremendous difference over the course of the summer. There's something special about being in the garden before the sun comes up. The air is cool, the birds are beginning to sing, and everything feels calm and peaceful. It's one of the most relaxing parts of the day, and it's a perfect time to connect with your garden before the heat arrives. A little extra effort before sunrise can make all the difference. Your vegetables continue producing, your flowers keep blooming, your lawn stays greener, and your entire garden is better prepared to handle even the hottest summer days. Sometimes the secret to a beautiful garden isn't working harder, it's simply starting a little earlier.